In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and edit a meeting rotation in Hubspot. This process is vital if you want to ensure a smooth, efficient way to manage who handles meetings within your team, providing the ability to distribute the meeting load evenly and effectively. Let's dive in. First, you need to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. If you're not already familiar with HubSpot, it's a powerful tool that offers a range of software and tools designed to help optimize your business operations. So you can access it by simply typing in hubspot.com into your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you need to locate and click the login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the screen, and this will direct you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is the central hub for all your activities and tools within HubSpot. Now from this home dashboard, your next step is to find and click on Settings. The Settings menu is the gateway to customizing your HubSpot experience, including managing your meeting rotations. You'll usually find the Settings icon located in the main menu on the left, symbolized by a cogwheel. Once you're in the settings, you'll need to navigate to the Meetings section. The meetings area is specifically tailored to managing your meeting scheduling, team availability, and various rotation settings. Look for the meetings option in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This will bring up all the configurations related to meetings. Within the meetings section, search for meeting rotations, click on it, and this will open up a page dedicated to managing your existing meeting rotations or setting up new ones. Meeting rotations are invaluable for sharing meeting responsibilities among team members, ensuring no single person is overwhelmed with back-to-back meetings while others have none. Now the critical part, creating a new rotation. You'll want to click on Create a Rotation. This step allows you to define specific parameters and design the way meetings will rotate between your team members. It's a straightforward process guided by prompts within HubSpot, allowing you to configure who should be included in the rotation, the scheduling fairness rules you want to apply, and how often the rotation should change. Setting up a meeting rotation in HubSpot not only optimizes team productivity, but also enhances collaboration by ensuring everyone has equal opportunities to engage with clients or stakeholders. By following these steps, you'll have a well-balanced meeting schedule that benefits both your team and business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments section. Happy scheduling!